Hey friends, happy Friday evening. It is Melissa with Junk and Craft Treasures on the Essential Stencil page tonight. So if you're watching this, you're most likely on the replay. So hashtag replay, let us know that you stopped by. Let us know what you think of tonight's project. Like I said, we're gonna mix this lace stencil with, hey Donna, the Let Freedom ring. This is an older stencil. It is restocked. When Essential Stencil gets on here, they will pin all of the information for me, but we are going to incorporate these together. What do y'all think? I think it's going to be really pretty. Y'all know I love lace projects. I love vintage projects, so I really think that this is going to turn out pretty cute. Hey Patsy, hey Erin, I am scooting y'all back because I've got a large board and I want y'all to be able to see everything that I am doing tonight step by step. This is the ultimate goal of what we're going to do, guys. We have a round. I know somebody's going to ask me what size. I think it's 18. Okay, so it's an 18-inch round. We're starting off the night great, y'all. We're going to have some bloopers. Y'all, I was afraid that was going to go flying across the table. All right, so I've got these little pieces right here. We are going to do the back of this, and we are going to attach these on the bottom so we can make a really cute riser when it is all said and done, guys. So I'm just going to get this on here. Like I said, this is going to be the bottom. All right, so all we've done is stain the bottom of our piece. So if we were doing a two-sided piece, we do the exact same thing. Okay, so all I'm doing is staining the little, I think I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. It's finial, how do you say it? I know y'all can't tell me how to say it online, but I know y'all can tell me sitting in your chair. You're probably yelling at me going, Melissa, that's not right. That's not how you say it. So let me just give this a quick little dry. Guys, all right, so this is the back. We will come back to the rest of it here in a little while. Here we want to do. And remember, I wasn't worried about the stain because we're putting down the white and then we're going to put down the red and blue. We're not even going to see that. Do each different word, red, white, and blue, where our background is going to be in white because I don't want to overpower it too much because we will have the red and the blue lace board. I'm actually, now that we've done that, I'm going to see if I can scoot you back just a little bit more. I've got a different dryer, y'all, and it doesn't dry as fast. It is quieter, but it doesn't dry as fast as my other one. Yes, if you are new, let us know that you're new, guys. We know a lot of new people just sit and watch and all of the things, y'all, but we are a very nice, welcoming community that makes a lot of sandpaper noise that is not good. But so if you have any questions or anything, let us know. We're here to help. Our lives on Monday through Friday at 7 p.m. are to give you inspiration, answer questions, do all those things, guys. So, all right, now we're doing our second coat. So we are going to use this fantastic laced stencil and Let Freedom ring. So now I have to figure out how I'm going to design this. And this is going to be like a centerpiece for a table, y'all. So we can put things on it. We can put, I'm going to seal it. So if we want to put food on it, we can to make it food safe, because this is another thing, y'all. When we talk about making things food safe, keep in mind, depending what you use to make your product food safe, whether it be hemp oil, waxes, resin, I'm trying to think of all the things, whatever type of matte sealing food finish that you use, they all have different cure times. So some resin may take up to 28-30 days, like dishwasher safe Mod Podge as the top coat takes 28 days to fully be cured. So just make sure whatever you use has time to fully cure before you actually put your food on it. Does that make sense? Give me some hearts if that makes sense. I'm gonna put it right about here. Okay, so we are going to put, I've got in the center, and we can offload this real quick. All right, guys, are we ready for the reveal on this? I haven't done blue yet. I'm sure somebody has done blue. Y'all, blue lace. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it and I'm going to line it up. Continue it over this way. Pretty. Okay. There you go, guys. Now we've got it continued all the way across. So it's easy if you put it the right direction. Okay. Now we're going to add our red. Okay. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, this is going to be so pretty. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and continue it over. Red deep line right down there. Okay. What do y'all think? What we got going on in the middle here? Just getting brush bristles off. All right, so there we go without the tape. Let freedom ring. I have an idea. I think we're gonna do the ombre here and the ombre here and an ombre here. So we're gonna have 3 different ombres, y'all. But we're gonna try it. I'm telling y'all. I guess I should say I'm mixing 2 colors. Does that sound better? Now I'm gonna do, can I take a peek? Can I take a peek, y'all? Can I take a peek and see what this looks like? I love it. I don't think I'm gonna do the lines. Okay, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I got a little bit of red right here. I'll fix that here in just a second and show you how to fix it. I think I'm just gonna leave it. Y'all, I love it. Okay. It says, let freedom ring. Oh my Lanta. Y'all. What do y'all think? I love it just like that. Now I was gonna put the lines above it and here just to kind of, I'm gonna protect. So we're gonna flip this over on this side. I'm gonna use Stick Fast is because it is like a super glue and it is gonna hold really well. I just wanna get it on here so I can show you what we're doing. See what we got going on over there. As always, my code Craft Treasures over here saves at checkout. All right, guys. What y'all think? So we've got it raised. I know it's hard for y'all to see that. We've got it raised up off the table. Beautiful piece. Y'all, I had a blast tonight. I will be back next Friday over here on the Essential Stencil page at 7 p.m. And like I said, check my page tomorrow and Sundays live at 1 p.m. because I got some fun stuff in store for y'all. So I will see y'all this weekend and then back over here on the Essential Stencil page next Friday at 7 p.m. Central. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Bye.